Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing video to share with you guys. Something exciting. I've been itching to get into this box. I believe, if I've understood his message correctly, this is a collaboration between Knafs and Wiha. Of course, Knafs, you guys know Ben Peterson, but this is a pretty cool idea. So I'm excited to open this up and check it out. I'm assuming it's available, so I'll link it down in the description. You guys can check it out if you want to. It does help my channel when you use those links, but that's up to you. Okay, let's see what we've got here from Wiha. If you don't know, if you didn't know this, I've been using Wiha drivers and bits, I think pretty much exclusively since the channel started. There's a lot of great brands out there. I'm gonna just be real. There's lots of stuff, right? So whoever you've been using, whatever tools you've been using, if they've been working for you, then you're good to go. I've always used Wiha, so that's that. I think probably, but I've got to cut another little bit here. I think there's probably, I want to get my private information out there. No, okay, we're good. We're good. We can just jump on into it here. So we have something. What's the exact name of this? It's a toolkit that is essentially, it's a collaboration between Wiha and Knafs. And I think, oh, do I get the new one? Finally, I was actually going to ask. That worked out. Okay, so let's open this up and see what is inside. Oh, cool. I love the explosion thing here, the diagram. This is the new lander with the crossbar lock. I've reviewed the lander, or at least one version of it. I think possibly two. It's a great knife. There's a bunch of different versions. I'll link the knife in general down in the description as well. Oh, there's more than one. Oh, and a mini knife sharpener. Oh, no, okay, one's a knife sharpener and one is the knife itself. So here we go. The Wiha and Knafs collab tool set. Very cool. Let's find out what's in here. I'm going to keep this. Oh, I'm going to keep this. Oh, I'm going to keep this. This is awesome. I love this. Oh, this is so organized versus my normal setup. Oh, I love it. I love it. So we have the dedicated drivers, right? And then you have your, I guess, is it the smaller? Yeah, the smaller size, right? But that works. I love the driver. That's really cool. And then you can, use the little O-rings to keep whatever ones you feel like you're most likely to use right there. And then this slot most likely is for, I'm going to put that back right away because I know that'll bother some of you. But everything's labeled and in the right place with the foam. This is wonderful. Look at the torques. Look at the torques. I'll never use you. I don't like using you, but I'll use you all the time. That's T6, right? Maybe we should hold it up there. No. Probably have to. Have never had to use. Love it. More love it the most. That's definitely great. Okay, what's this? Oh, the little levery sort of, that's a nice inclusion there. So, what does this say? Oh, if you have ever taken apart a knife, then you know that sometimes knives don't want to come apart, right? And things that have blades attached to them that don't want to come apart are a recipe for slipping and cutting yourself. I have had stitches on, I think it was this thumb. Yeah, do I still have a scar there to show you? Maybe a little bit. Yeah, I've had stitches all the way down this thumb from a knife not wanting to come apart and me trying to use my hands. So a little plastic pry tool is always a good idea. I love that it's thicker out here. Makes it to where you can use this to twist and pry pieces apart without hurting or scratching the knife, right? Your precious baby. Your precious, beautiful titanium baby. We don't want to scratch it. But, I mean, seriously, like, this is great. Usually, a lot of times I use, like, old credit cards that are glued together and then filed down to create like a little point, like a little leverage, thing. You don't want to use like a flathead screwdriver unless you really don't care about the knife, right? But yeah, that's really cool. That's a nice inclusion there. So are these dedicated? It's dedicated T8 and T6, right? That's cool. The mini pocket knife sharpener. Yeah, I had a hard time reading that. Don't comment on my ability to read. I can read just fine. Thank you very much. There it is right there. We have to use the obsidian toenail. Okay, mini knife sharpener. What do you look like? For a second, I thought it was just going to be a wad of cardboard. Okay, so 600 fine and 400 medium. So, okay, there you go. Yeah, that'll do it. For sure. I mean, you're not going to be putting an absolutely perfectly professional edge on it, but a good working edge, yeah, 100%, right? So that's cool. And then you have some guides here, and then there's a little bit. I'll let you guys, if you're watching on TV, I guess you can use your phone and check that out right there. But yeah, that's cool. That's a nice thing to provide with this. And then we have the new. It's the Wiha edition, collector's edition. Yes, actually. I do like the black and red. Yeah, I like the size of this a lot better. I know Ben's rule about the finger and all of that, and I think that's fine if that works for him, right? I mean, obviously, you know, the best knife for you is the knife that you think is the best for you, right? For whatever reason you decide. I personally like to carry a larger knife for no other reason than I simply like larger knives. Admittedly, I don't need a very large knife. I just enjoy it. So the Lander is a great knife. It's a very recommendable knife, but I like this a lot better, especially for the room that's provided here on the scales. I do actually like the Wiha that has been cut into the G10. Is it actually a separate piece of black G10, or did they just dye that? I bet they dyed it. So it looks like T8, and then, of course, ambidextrous locking system. So we have an ambidextrous pocket clip mounting position. That's nice. The texturing, the peel ply texturing here is not super aggressive, so you're going to have the pocket clip riding directly on top of it, but no big deal, right? The knife functions exactly as you would assume. Very, very well. Is this a... Oh, it's a special boy! What is up, guys? S35VN. That's cool. Very unexpected there. I thought it would just be 14C28N. How much does this all cost? I have no idea. I didn't check before I started the video because I was too excited to get into it. But yeah, this is great. I like the blade stock thickness. I love the blade length. I like the blade geometry. This will be a really, really good one here. So I'm guessing this size, this newer one, which has been out for a bit, I'm guessing it comes in a couple of different configurations. Maybe maybe they have this version in S35VN that you can get on its own. I kind of doubt it. I feel like you probably have to get it through the tool set. And then there's probably a version of it that's in D2 or 14C28N. That would just be my guess. But yeah, that's really cool. I like this. I'll have to review it. Actually, I can't wait to review this because I haven't given my thoughts on the larger one yet. Well, this is all just wonderful. I love this so much. Oh, I have a little spot for my little sharpener, and there we go. That's so satisfying. Hold on there, little guy. There we go. Yes, this is all so wonderful. Let me get that nice and tucked away in there, which is probably where I'll leave it. But this is great with it all being labeled and everything. I love this. Very, very cool. Probably a little bit pricey, but then again, probably not insane. You have kind of the essentials when it comes to a bit set. And if you don't have a bit set yet, if you're watching my channel, you definitely need one. I mean, you can't really, like, you can have a knife and not a tool set, but eventually you're going to at least need to adjust your knife, adjust the centering, tighten the fasteners back down, right? At the very least, you need a torque set. But something like this, picking up a set like this will ensure that you never have an issue taking apart or doing any type of maintenance on your knife, unless, of course, the fasteners are proprietary. So, yeah, very cool stuff. Thank you so much to Knafs and Wiha for doing this and for sending this in for me to take a look at. I'm going to keep this because I think it's super cool. You can expect a full review on this guy. All right. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.